This is Secret Bear, the silent death and system is no nano.
Yes! Thank the Lord! 20! Sorry I didn't see you there. Now, you're probably wondering what all of this is about and what the STEMPO Initiative actually is. Or maybe you're still admiring the completely necessary opening sequence. Either way, before we get going, allow me to clean up my workspace a little. Hold, please. Much better. Now that we've made ourselves a little bit more room to think, I shall explain what STEMPO is really about. There is an old saying, give someone a fish and they'll eat for a day. Teach them how to fish and they can feed themselves for a lifetime. That's the idea behind STEMPO. I do not want to hand you a finished circuit and a block of code to copy and paste, only for you to be left wondering why any of it works. I want us to understand what each component does, why every wire is connected, and how the code brings the system to life. The goal is not simply to recreate my technology. No, it is to become confident enough to create your own. I first explored Arduino through a course with the Johns Hopkins Center for Talented Youth, then continued through school projects and personal experiments. But getting here took a lot of trial and error. I copied circuits, placed wires in the wrong rows, and spent hours solving problems that sometimes came down to one tiny mistake. There were also times when progress felt so slow that I lost momentum and stepped away from Arduino completely. Looking back, I wish I had understood the path more clearly. STEMPO is my way of shortening that confusing beginning for younger learners, so one difficult week does not become the reason they stop creating. We live with technology every day, but most of the time we only consume what somebody else has already created. Arduino gives us the chance to look beneath the screen. You build the circuit with your own hands, write its instructions with those same hands, and watch an idea become physical. Code becomes something you can see, hear, touch, and use. It may seem intimidating, but every complicated project is still built from smaller steps. Our first STEMPO journey will follow the construction of React, the game you just watched me take far too seriously. It uses an Arduino Nano, 3 buttons, a joystick, 5 LEDs, a buzzer, an OLED display, resistors, wires, and quite a bit of code. Now that sounds like a lot, but we will not build everything at once. We'll begin with inputs such as the buttons and the joystick. Then we'll explore outputs, including the lights, sound, and display. Finally, we will connect everything through code, measure reaction time, detect mistakes, and turn separate components into one complete game. Remember folks, not owning an Arduino kit does not mean you have to sit this one out. We will use fritzing to understand circuit layouts and tools such as Tinkercad to test ideas digitally. I will introduce these tools as we go so you can understand the project before purchasing every physical component. Now, just a reminder, I'm developing STEMPO alongside my IB studies, so I will aim to upload most weeks, although the schedule may occasionally shift. I would rather make something genuinely understandable than rush something unclear. I cannot remove every mistake from the process, and I would not want to.
Mistakes are where much of the learning happens. But I can help make those mistakes easier to understand, so you spend less time feeling stuck and more time moving forward. You may need a break, you may make mistakes, but you should always know where to begin again. If I can begin from there, you can too. STEMPO is not here to hand you one fish. We are here to learn how to fish together. Just a sneak preview on the second project. Peekaboo! It's gonna be something audiovisual related. Fingers crossed that I can make it work.